And they're off. Early lead is taken by Chiskamas, followed by Nap Nap on the outside in second. Running in third is Arbin Dugo and Perfect Pijama, and Boss Barawana is bringing up the rear. The mid-back stretch, Cheskimas by 3.5 lengths, followed by Arbin Dugo in second, and on the outside is Nap Nap. Entry number one, Perfect Pajama and Boss Barawana. The far turn, it is still Cheskimas in the lead, followed by Arbin Dugo by the rail. On the outside is Nap Nap. And running in fourth is entry number one, and that is Perfect Pajama and Boss Barawana. The last bend for home, it is still Cheskimas on the outside is Nap Nap, and moving up on the inside is Arbin Dugo. The top of the stretch is still Cheskimas. Moving up on the inside is Arbin Dugo, the favorite. Cheskimas on the farther outside, Snap Nap, and Arbin Dugo by the rail. Nap Nap on the farther outside, Arbin Dugo by the rail. Nap Nap on the outside, Arbin Dugo. It's Nap Nap on the outside, Arbin Dugo. It's Nap Nap and Arbin Dugo, and here comes Boss Barawan on the farther outside. And finally, at the playoff line, it's a close finish between Nap Nap, Boss Barawana, Arbin Dugo,